This next video goes over how someone can manage time clock entries at the back end. It'll be someone like the owner or manager that has permissions to go in and edit time clock entries, whether it's just modifying them or deleting them or adding a new record. So in most cases, you're probably going to navigate to that particular store number that you're dealing with for that salesperson or salespeople. So at the top right, you can go to that store, and then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on the System tab and Time Clock. This will bring you into the Time Clock screen. You have three different tabs here. You have Open Records, Manage Records, and Add New Record. So the Open Records just shows you all of the open records where it's not clocked out yet. So you just have like a time in. And if you want to go next, you can click on Next. If you want to go to Previous, just click on Previous. You can choose one of these. If you want to delete it, you can click on the checkbox that says Delete and click on Delete. Or if you just want to edit an open record, you can click on Edit, and it allows you to edit that record. As you can see, the date and time in and the time in, so you can change that. And then click on Update. And after you click on Update, make sure that you click on Save. If you want to cancel, you can just click on the Cancel button. The next part is Manage Records. So if I click on Manage Records, it's going to list the user, the store, date and time in, date and time out, the hours, and if they were non-sales hours. So again, if you wanted to manage one or more of these records, you could find the record, you can click on Next, you can click on Previous. If you want to delete a record, you can click on the Delete checkbox and then click on Delete, and it'll tell you that that record was deleted. To the right, or you can just edit that record by clicking on Edit. And again, you'll see the time in, the time out. You can edit the date or the time, shows the total hours. Once you're done, you can click on Update, and then you can click on the Save button down at the bottom. If you want to cancel it, you can click on Cancel. And then if you just simply want to add a record, maybe someone forgot to clock in for the day or clock out for the day, you as a manager can clock them in or clock them out. Then you could go to Add New Record, you could pull up their name, put the date in, the date out, the time in, and the time out. It'll show the total time, and then you can click on non-sales hours if it's not sales related, if they were doing stock room work. And then once you're done, you can click on the Save button down at the bottom, and that will add that new record. So that is how you manage time clock records. Whether it's the open records, the records that are already clocked in and out, or if you're just adding a new record.